Hey, how you looking? I'm excited.
Right now, we're on the ride of our lives off the ground.
So good to see you. We're doing it.
Well, this afternoon we are here to celebrate with Jacqui and Cameron at the Marble House Project, where Jacqui has dreamed about having her wedding since she was little, and surely with a partner as terrific as Cameron.
It all started one night her freshman year. She accidentally left her raincoat at a party, and even though she didn't know it at the time, it would be her future husband to return it safely. He was bubbly, fun, sporty, blonde, and everything else she hoped for. Definitely a golden retriever in another life. If Google Docs are Packy's love language, Cam's her perfect match. He goes with the flow, he's always up for something fun, and he has the app on his phone.
By the power vested in me by the state of Vermont, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Cameron, you may kiss the bride.
Let's go!
There I was, 10 years old, perfectly happy being the baby of the family. Until one hot summer night, my parents had one too many Miller Lights with lemon. And 9 months later, I had myself a little brother, my soon-to-be Shadow. Seriously though, Cameron, all jokes aside, I gave you the nickname Shadow because you always followed me around, copied everything I did. All these years later, it's me who idolizes you. So here's to my best friend and his beautiful bride, Jacqui, to a long life together filled with happiness, adventure, and lots of new memories.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've always known them as Cam and Jacqui. Now, for the first time, it's my great honor to introduce them as husband and wife.
Now let's go make some memories.